Anna, over here.
Wow, there are so many people here.
I know, the Bakra Mandi is always busy before Eid.
This is my first time coming here.
Really? Then today will be a special experience for you. Listen to all those sounds.
I can already hear goats everywhere. The atmosphere feels so exciting.
People come here with their families to buy animals for Eid.
There are goats, cows, and even camels here.
Exactly. Every section has different animals.
Everything feels so colorful and lively.
Eid season makes this place very special.
Honestly, I feel a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
I don't know how to talk to the sellers.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Really?
Of course! Today you will learn useful English and enjoy the market too.
That sounds fun already.
Great! Let's go explore together.
Wow, look at that white goat.
Its fur looks so soft.
And look at its long ears.
Many people like healthy and active goats.
So cute. How can you tell if a goat is healthy?
Good question. You check the eyes, teeth, and movement. A healthy animal usually looks energetic.
The market is much bigger than I imagined.
We have not even seen half of it yet. Come on, let's walk further inside.
Sam, look at that little goat. The black and white one.
Yes, it keeps jumping around. It has so much energy.
Aw, it's adorable. This goat is very playful.
It loves attention from people.
What's its name?
We call him Sultan.
Sultan? That's such a funny name.
Because he acts like a king.
That actually suits him.
Look, Anna, he keeps following you.
Wait, why is he chewing my scarf? Hey, give that back.
Haha, this goat is naughty. I think he likes you.
He is very friendly. He's making everyone laugh.
That's the fun part about Bakra Mandi. Every animal has a different personality.
Sultan seems very happy now. Maybe he thinks I brought snacks for him.
You should be careful. He might follow us home.
Imagine that. Sam, look at this brown goat.
Oh, yes, it looks very strong. And it's standing very confidently. Sellers take very good care of their animals before Eid.
I can see that.
Hello, would you like to see this goat?
Hello. Yes, please.
This goat is very healthy and active. It eats very well and drinks lots of water.
It really is beautiful. How old is it?
Around 2 years old.
It looks calm.
Yes, it has a very gentle nature.
Can I touch it?
Of course.
Ah, it feels soft.
Would you like to buy it?
Maybe. We are still looking around.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you. Sam, I heard people bargaining everywhere.
Yes, bargaining is very common here.
I have never bargained in English before.
Then today is your lucky day.
Please teach me.
Okay, first, if you want to ask the price, you can say, "How much is this goat?"
How much is this goat? What if the price is too high?
Then you can say, "That's a little expensive."
That's a little expensive.
Great. Or you can say, "Can you lower the price?"
Can you lower the price? That sounds easy.
Excellent. It is. Confidence is the key. Let's try.
Okay.
Welcome, beautiful goats here.
Thank you. How much is this goat?
This one is 180,000 rupees.
Oh, that's a little expensive.
Expensive? No. This is a very strong goat.
Can you lower the price a little?
Maybe a little.
Really?
Yes, I can give a small discount.
Okay, we will think about it and come back later.
Sure, take your time.
Wow, that was fun. Bargaining actually works.
See? You're doing great already.
I'm proud of myself.
You speak English very well.
Thank you so much. Sam, look over there.
The camels.
They are so tall. This is my favorite section. I have never stood this close to a camel before.
They look calm, don't they?
Calm, but also a little scary.
Just don't stand too close behind them,
Why?
because they can kick.
Okay, I'm staying right here then.
Would you like to take a picture?
Really?
Come on, Anna.
Okay, but I'm nervous.
Don't worry, the camel looks friendly.
Friendly? It looks like it's judging me.
Stand here carefully. Smile.
Wait, it moved.
Relax.
I'm trying. The camel likes attention. I think it likes staring at people too. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
Bakra Mandi surprises people all the time.
Sam, I think I found my favorite goat, the white one.
Yes, it's so cute. Do you want to buy it?
Maybe.
Then let's talk to the seller again.
Welcome back. So, did you like the goat?
Hello again. Yes, very much. We want to know the final price.
Okay. The original price is 175,000 rupees.
That's still a little expensive.
But this goat is very healthy and strong.
Can you lower the price a little more?
Okay. For you, I can make it 168,000 rupees because you both are very kind.
Thank you. But can you make it 160,000?
160,000? That is too low.
Please, it's our favorite goat. We really like this one.
Okay. Final price. 162,000 rupees.
Sam, that sounds good. I think it's a fair price. Then we will take it.
Congratulations. This goat will make your Eid very special.
Thank you so much.
May you have a wonderful Eid.
Thank you.
Sam, look at all the lights. The market looks beautiful at night. Everything feels magical now.
Eid nights always feel special.
I can hear children laughing, and people are still shopping everywhere. The energy here is incredible.
I agree.
Today was such an unforgettable day.
What was your favorite part?
Maybe learning bargaining English.
Really?
Yes. At first, I was scared to speak. Now I'm having so much fun.
But you did very well.
I learned so many new English phrases today.
Like what?
How much is this? And can you lower the price? I also learned how to talk confidently with sellers. Today helped me improve my English and enjoy Eid traditions at the same time.
That is the best way to learn English. Real conversations with real people.
Thank you for spending the day with me.
Thank you too, Anna.
This Eid season feels really special now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Let's come again next year.
Definitely. Bye. See you soon.
Bye.